Universal City Walk. Cinnabon. It's way over here. I don't know. Voodoo Donuts. It's all about Voodoo Donuts. Stopping at Margaritaville to get some liquid courage. Okay, so here I go. My first time ever going to Universal Halloween Horror Nights. And my first time ever going to a haunted house. Yes. I'm a little frightened. I'm a little buzzed. So we'll see how the evening goes. I'm going to be frightened later on. Slideshow Slaughterhouse. Doesn't look too bad though. Now that I'm actually here, my nerves are a little better. This scaredy cat might actually survive.
You made it! Welcome to the Universal Studio Tour.
That's a good bit of mischief, and they do seem pretty proud of their handiwork. For the minions, they're visual.
As the beyond ship descending to a lost island, you encounter monsters and creatures from prehistoric times.
Miscellaneous vehicles from Transformers. Also, as we start to exit the far end of the picture car lineup, on our left, of course, the film Jaws, a huge hit for us back in 1975. By the next year, hey, what do you know? We have the Jaws attraction, and it's been going pretty strong ever since. Like I say, about once a year for like 3 weeks or a month, they close down for some needed repairs. Yeah, because everything from a double-decker bus, Mr. Bean's little car is parked next to it, vehicles of the Fast and Furious variety, even the Mystery Machine is here. This Shaggy, Scooby and the gang must have went out for ice cream or something. The oldest freestanding sets in all of Hollywood. The Cycle House up on the hill is built at 3/4 scale, so on screen it's going to look farther away than it actually is. It's also what we call a shell structure. Basically, you open up the front door and you pretty much sight from Steven Spielberg's version of War of the Worlds in the theaters back in 2005, starring Tom Cruise, Dakota Fanning, and Justin Chatwin. Just in case you're wondering, yes, that is an actual aircraft, a 747 destroyed specifically for this incredible scene.
The airplane crash was perfectly of the set. Experience. It was looking so live and anyway, behind this fantasy, the rolling rush cracks in the house lies a sinister secret. Smack dab in the center of the hospital. What's a better miracle?
ice and mosey.
Little Levi's back at you.
Spoiler alert, I survived my first house. Now it was time for some more liquid courage. These looked way better than they tasted.
Nation is going on here? Where's my dog? Where's my Pooh Bear? I'll tear this thing apart with my bare hands! Don't worry. All we want to do is kill you.
Marlboro State Police, what officer reports about circus clown? Are you there?
Where would you hide? The amusement park. If you were left, where would you hide?
long as you are with me, you are totally safe. Speaking of safety, if you're traveling with small children, scoot them to the center and start saving their therapy. Keep your arms and legs inside the vehicle, remain seated, and should you experience an emergency that I can assist with, pull the red cord on the ceiling. Now, you are Universal. We've been making movies here for over 100 years, and it's time we addressed this clown problem. Some of you might recall, back in 2016, the Universal lot was haunted by a mysterious clown that the internet came to call Hollywood Harry. As it turned out, Harry was, in fact, a former actor named Harold Kapowitz. He hosted a children's TV show in the 50s, do that math, called Poodle's Carnival, and was the original mascot of the Universal Studios tour. After terrorizing the studio for no apparent reason throughout 2016, Harry disappeared back into the Hollywood Hills. And everything went quiet for 2 years. Then in 2018, Harry kidnapped a pair of Universal Studio tour guides and forced them to participate in a demented version of his children's TV show.
Hello, boys and girls. It's your pal, Poodles the Clown.
Pal, despite the best efforts of authorities, the bodies of Scott and Allison, my fellow tour guides, were never recovered. And once again, Harry disappeared back into the Hollywood Hills. Now, it's been 4 years since we've heard from Harry, but we're not out of the woods yet. When we reopened the theme park, we found black balloons, Harry's calling card, everywhere. And lately, there have been even more troubling signs around the lot and...
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Happy Halloween, boys and girls.
I guess we found the bodies of Scott and Allison.
Hey, Scott, Halloween is my favorite time of year.
Gosh golly, Allison. That's my favorite time of year, too.
I got a great idea. Let's have a Halloween party.
Hot diggity dog. That's a swell idea. Yay! Yay! No! It's all ruined! I'm sorry, boys and girls. Poodles is sad. I so wanted to have a Halloween party, but we were going to have pumpkins and ghosties and black cats and vampire bats and skeletons and candy.
It's time to gather all of your belongings because we're kicking you off the tram to go to Poodle's party. Happy Harry